Welcome to Nick's Finance, where we'd uncover the mysteries of affluence while incorporating a healthy dose of indulgence. We're going to explore the mystery of passive income in our video. 5 lazy ways to make money online. Prepare yourself for an adventure that combines affluence and simplicity. You'll have the tools to effortlessly seize financial chances by the time this video ends. You've come to the perfect location if you've ever imagined earning money while sitting in your comforter. Stay tuned as we explore the world of online money generation, demonstrating that the road to affluence can really be paved with sloth. So let's get started. Number 1. Blogging. Beyond being a means of self-expression, blogging can serve as a springboard to unexpectedly lax prospective revenue streams. Blogging is one of the most flexible and easily accessible options when it comes to online income generation. The simplicity is what makes it so beautiful. By writing about what you are passionate about or are most knowledgeable about, you can make money. Advertising is one of the easiest and most successful ways to make money from a blog. You can add ads to your blog after it starts to acquire popularity and has a consistent stream of visitors. Each time someone clicks or watches an ad, you will get paid. Affiliate marketing is an additional profitable path. By carefully placing affiliate links in your article, you will receive a commission for any sale made via those links. Long after you've pressed the publish button, you can continue to gain from your blog by using this passive strategy. In the blogging world, sponsored content is just one more sloppy money-making tactic. Businesses use your popularity and influence to their advantage by paying you to write about their goods or services. As you blend promotional content into your current blog style, this usually requires very little work on your part. Essentially, blogging is a means of achieving financial independence through ingenious yet successful monetization strategies. It's more than just a place to share tales. The possibility of earning money increases as your site and readership expand, making it a very passive online income stream. Now, take a keyboard and begin utilizing the power of it to transform your ideas into money. Number 2. Dropshipping. Have you ever wished that managing inventory and delivery arrangements didn't have to be such a pain while operating an internet store? For you, dropshipping may be the ideal side business that is both profitable and lazy. Dropshipping has become a game changer in the e-commerce space, enabling business owners to dabble in retail with little to no effort. How does dropshipping operate then? You collaborate with suppliers who manage the inventory and delivery procedures, rather than keeping things stocked on your own. The goods are transported straight from the supplier to the buyer when they place an order on your online store. What part do you play? The rest will take care of itself. Concentrate on developing your brand, marketing, and customer service. The simplicity of dropshipping is what makes it so beautiful. There's no need to worry about storage space or make large inventory investments. Additionally, you may customize your business to fit your interests or market trends without incurring large initial costs because of the wide range of products that are available. Dropshipping success necessitates dependable suppliers, efficient marketing, and well-chosen products. Even if it could be a Slack method for e-commerce, careful research and client happiness are still required. Dropshipping, in summary, is the definition of working smarter, not harder. Your internet store can become a passive revenue stream by utilizing partnerships and outsourcing logistics, which makes it a great option for entrepreneurs that prefer a more relaxed approach to business. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. In the world of easy methods to make money online, affiliate marketing is a shining light. Through this clever idea, people can promote other people's goods or services and earn commissions. This is how it operates. You become an affiliate for a business, get a special affiliate link, and then use other channels to deliberately spread this connection. Affiliate marketing's simplicity is what makes it so beautiful. It is not necessary for you to manage inventory, develop products, or provide customer service. Rather, you concentrate on your strongest suit, which is promotion. You can use your audience to easily create cash, whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or just have a respectable online presence. You receive a commission when customers click on your affiliate links and make purchases. With this method, you can have a virtual storefront without having to deal with the hassles of managing a business. A wide variety of products are offered by affiliate programs, so you can match your promotions to the interests of your audience. Authenticity is the secret to success in affiliate marketing. Make sincere recommendations for goods or services, and your audience will come to believe you, increasing conversions. Affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest and most successful ways to make money online, since it offers the flexibility to sell things you love and the possibility of passive income. Get started right now and watch your web presence turn into a profitable revenue stream. Number 4. Online surveys and reviews. Writing product evaluations and taking part in internet surveys are two of the most straightforward but successful money-making schemes available. Businesses are always looking for input from their customers, and they are prepared to pay for it. It's simple to participate in online surveys. Register with survey platforms, provide your opinions on different subjects, and get compensated with cash or gift cards. Best feature? You can work on surveys at your own speed while watching your favorite shows on repeat or taking a coffee break. Similar to this, creating product reviews is a simple way to make money off of your experiences. Give prospective customers advice by sharing your honest opinions on the goods and services you've used. For well-written and educational evaluations, a lot of websites and review platforms offer payment. Even though they might not make you wealthy right away, these strategies offer a reliable source of income with little work. It's similar to getting compensated for your opinions, something you most likely already do for free. Thus, if you like to express your opinions and would like to make a little extra money on the side, doing online surveys and reviewing products could be the convenient but fulfilling online job you've been looking for. Recall that earning money from your insights has never been this simple. Number 5. Stock photography. In the era of digitalization, where visual material is king, stock photography has become a profitable way for people to make a living off of their passion for photography. In contrast to traditional photography, which might only have a small clientele, stock photography enables photographers to sell their work to a worldwide clientele. To begin this easy yet fruitful endeavor, begin by compiling a portfolio of excellent, eye-catching images. These might be anything from ordinary things and abstract ideas to landscapes and portraits. Once your portfolio is complete, register with reliable stock photo websites like iStock, Adobe Stock, or Shutterstock. The passive quality of stock photography is what makes it so beautiful. Your photos become available to a large network of prospective customers once you post them. You get paid a royalty each time someone downloads or buys one of your photos. This implies that you can keep making money while enjoying your preferred beverage or even getting some rest when your photos are published. In the stock photography industry, success frequently depends on recognizing market trends and producing material that appeals to a wide range of users. Observe prevailing themes and subjects and modify your portfolio accordingly. Your passion for photography may become a sustainable yet easy way to make money online with stock photography, provided you have a sharp eye for visual narrative and a little bit of smart thought. Now grab your camera, press the shutter, and watch as your pixels create wealth. As we come to the end of our research into our 5 lazy ways to make money online, I hope you're feeling motivated and prepared to convert your spare time into cash. Please click the like button to offer us a virtual high five if you found these recommendations useful. Comment any other ways to create passive income down below, and subscribe to Nick's Finance for more profitable yet lazy insights. And don't keep all this knowledge to yourself. Share it with your friends who also deserve a piece of the lazy wealth pie. We appreciate you coming along for the ride. Stay rich, stay lazy, and may your bank account be as full as your Netflix queue till the next time. Thanks for watching.